Hi guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we are putting up our cattle panels to plant our tomatoes next to them. It's still going to be a couple weeks before we can plant. We're getting that down and we're getting our plastic down, hopefully to hold down weeds, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. So here's the black plastic. We're just digging underneath this black plastic. We dig right under the edge of it, which leaves a little trench. We take that dirt, put it on top of it, which pushes this down in the trench. And here's our cattle panels. And we're gonna have another row of tomatoes with cattle panels over there. We're gonna have 2 rows of tomatoes. But right now, that's what we're doing, is just digging this trench, getting this ready for when it comes time to put those plants outside. So he digs the ditch underneath the plastic, throws the dirt up here. I come behind him and make sure that the plastic goes down in the ditch. You see how there's a little ditch there? Well, we make sure the plastic's there in that little ditch. And then we take dirt, cover it up, like so. And then we stomp on it. So that's what it should look like all the way down through here when we get done, like the other side does. So now we got both sides, ends of the plastic covered on both sides. He's just finishing up the ends. And now we have a bunch of billboard tarps we're fixing to spread across this garden, because it's going to be a while before we can plant and hopefully kill some of this grass and stuff that's coming up since it's been turned up. So we have these billboard tarps out here. We're not gonna plant in these billboard tarps. We're just putting them out to kill the grass. We've got some scrap metal laying on the side. to keep them from blowing up when the wind blows. We are gonna leave the black plastic and plant in it for our tomatoes, but not these billboard signs. We're gonna roll these up when we start to plant and put them up for next year. But we're hoping that it will get hot enough to kill all this before we plant underneath all this. But this is all the ones we have. We don't have enough to do the entire garden, but this is where we're gonna plant the small garden at my parents' house. And then we haven't even started anything at our house, or our property. We don't even have a house yet. At our property to plant. Hi guys. I just wanted to go through a huge fail that we have done. We want to be transparent as possible and let you know when we succeed and we fail. We wanted to do the no-till gardening this year. Well, that didn't work out for us. We have monkeyed around too long. We got our cardboard put down, as you've seen in an earlier episode. If you watched, I'll put a card up here. But we want to go through the tips of how we failed so you don't make the same mistake. I'm going to go ahead and roll the footage and show you how this has made a huge mess that now we have to clean up. But maybe next year we can try no-till gardening, but it's definitely not working out for us this year. If you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and go ahead and leave us a comment. God bless you. We got all the stickers, all the staples, all the tape off of our cardboard boxes. We're fixing to lay these out through here. And we have sawdust we're gonna put down also. We're gonna do the no-till garden.